Hi there, I'm John Leach, and you're watching Arc Fishing.
Look at that crappie, man. That's a nice crappie. Nice largemouth. Very nice largemouth. Nice largemouth bass. Nice largemouth bass. Big deal.
Alright, I'm going to reach this beautiful muskie. 35-inch muskie. Catch and release. Woo. 17-inch largemouth bass.
Well, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending what part of the world you're in right now watching this video. Welcome to another edition of Arc Fishing. I'm your host, John Leach, and I am on my way to my friend Brent's house. We're going to take his 19-foot nitro bass boat out today. We're going up north to a northern section of the Schuylkill River. I'm not exactly going to reveal our specific location because even though it's accessible to all the public, it's a nice sweet honey hole. I don't want everybody going there and ruining it, but years ago, before it got popular on the internet and Google Maps and everything, it used to be such an awesome place to catch big bass, smallmouth, largemouth, chain purple, big perch, and big crappies. But it's getting more and more known. You can still catch decent fish out of there, not like it used to, but you can always catch fish. It's very rare to get skunked in this place. It's one of our go-to places, but everywhere else you can catch fish. This place is one place you can almost always catch fish. So, at any rate, I'll show you more in the video once we get there. I'm going to stop at Wawa real quick, get a snack and a drink, head to Brent's house. He's got everything ready to go. I'm just going to transfer my fishing gear over his boat and head on up. And hopefully have a good day of fishing. Hopefully have a really good video for you to watch. So stay tuned for more. Click that like button, leave a comment below. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Subscription is for free. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when new videos come out. I try to produce at least one video a week, as much as I possibly can. So stay tuned, and always remember, navigate life and go fishing. Stop here quick, get a drink of the tea. I'll grab a sandwich from there too. Be right back. Hey, can you tell me where I can find the Boyer residence?
Yeah.
What's up, Jordan? What's up, Jack? There's Logan. Uh-oh, it's the three amigos. That sounds like trouble.
We'll go grocery shopping.
Nice.
And then we'll go to the park.
Cool.
To play in the street. And you can't come.
Bummer. I'm going to go home and cry. I'll see you later. Have fun. See you guys. I think my dash cam might have paid up this morning. I don't know. I sit at church at Park. I always get there early so I can set the camera stuff up because I video record. Crash or any preaching. Got the dash cam there. I had this camera there. This guy walked up in the parking lot, looked kind of suspicious. He had one of those red pool carts, like you call all the guys that bring some time. So I was walking towards my truck, and he must have saw the camera. As soon as he saw the camera, he went that way. So I'm like, I'm thinking, what's this guy want? I was thinking, I bet he wants money for drugs. That's probably what he wants.
I laughed. Josh called. He was bringing my trailer back, the car trailer. I said, well, we're at Cracker Barrel. We'll go to Cabela's. And he's like, can you grab me like two of those lures that you have? I'm like, what lures? I said, what, the crankbaits? He's like, yeah. I said, oh man, dude. So I got the last one. Last time I was there, they were sold out. He's like, yeah, whatever. I said, I don't think you're getting any back in stock for a while.
That lure definitely works, man. I don't know what it is about that lure, but it works. I gotta fix them up myself. We'll force feed those fish.
That's right.
I'll show that lure right down its throat.
Someplace I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops, counters in the early hours. Stone cold inside. Banging drop stanzas, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights call. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people. Chasing whatever kills. For so long I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops, counters in the early hours. Stone cold inside. Banging drop stanzas, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights call. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are street light people. Street light people. Street light people.
Oh, there's a hit. There's a hit. Come on. There we go. Come on. Be a bass. Something's on. That's a fish. Oh, probably a bluegill. I had one on, man. I think it was a bluegill again. That's so frustrating. Yeah, that's how I'm getting. I'm letting it drop, and then as soon as it sank, it goes like this. And that flutter. That's when they hit it. And that starts to flutter. That's when they nail it, man. It drives them crazy. Got one on. Yeah. You need a net for him, do you? With a net?
I don't think so, but
You got him. Skunk's out of the boat.
skunk's out of the boat.
Good deal.
Oh, look at that. Right into that, too.
That's hilarious.
I wound up netting them anyways.
All right, good deal. Look what he hit too, the black worm.
Yep.
How
Oh,
about
look
that?
what's in his mouth. He's eating something.
I can't see in there. Hold me looking. Oh, get the heck out. What the heck is that?
Oh. He's right about 12.
Nice.
12-inch largemouth.
Good deal. Skunk is out of the boat.
Catching on the drop. Oh, he scooped it up, whatever it was. It's a piece of a fish, look.
Yeah, see it now. Fish? You in that? What is the yellow perch? Cool.
I'm just saying we ain't got a yellow perch up here. Certainly not any kind of trophy, but
Hey, fish in the boat. That's all that matters. We're already a species.
he's so angry.
The angry yellow perch.
Blowing his fins up.
Yeah, I love how they flutter up like that. Sometimes that can be annoying too.